In this video, we're going to go over how to extract models from one zone to save into your models folder, and then you can use those later in either your own custom zones or to place them into an existing zone. Okay, actually, real quick, I'm going to show you how I like to do this. Inside of this models folder, I like to create some model type folders. So I'm going to call this one trees, and then I'll add another one to radial flora. Okay, now to have that, I have already turned the Alkebormer over to the Blender files. So I'm going to show you this real quick. We'll have it loaded in. All right, we'll grab, let's say, this tree here. Now they have collision meshes, which those are just like white columns basically. I don't even use these. I'll show you why in another video. But we'll take this tree here, and then we can open it, just the model, using the open model in Blender. And here we can see this tree. Okay, and we'll save this. It'll automatically point you to your models folder. And then, like I said, I separate everything by types, and I do highly recommend this for the add-on. So we'll put that one into trees. We'll check this other one here. I think this one's just maybe a slightly different color. Grab that one. Okay. And let's see, let's do a pine tree. All right, and then let's see, I think this is radial flora. Let's take a look at it real quick. Yep, it's a radial grass. And we'll save that one into the radial. Okay, so basically that just lets you save the models, and you can check your folder here. The way it works is you've got your types, and then, like I said, that's how I like to organize them. And then inside of there, you'll have a folder that's named for the blend file. And inside of that folder will be the actual blend file, and then a folder with all of the assets for that blend file. So if you manually wanted to do this, you technically could copy all of these image assets in this blend file, and you could go to your main directory, go into the Blender file, and then go to, say, Arena, and you could paste this, you could paste it in here, and then paste the textures into the assets, and then you could link it into your main zone Blender. Um, but I have an add-on which handles all this, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. I can just give you a real quick demonstration of how this works. So we'll open the arena. And then from the add-on, we can choose our folder for those models. And then you can see we've got radioflora and trees. There's those trees, and here's the radioflora. And we will break down the add-on and how that works in the next video.